We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Several nuclear missiles were detected and are heading for various populated cities across the United States. These missiles will impact within the next hour. Seek out a fallout shelter immediately. Bring food, water, and clothing to your shelter. Exposure to nuclear fallout is deadly. Prolonged exposure will result in death. Bring a battery-powered radio and tune to 1200 AM or 600 AM for additional news or updates while staying in your shelter. This station will go off the air soon, so tune to the stations 1200 AM or 600 AM to keep up with the latest news and updates.